Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the festival token fast in the Modular Street event in Heartopia. So in this event, you can buy lots of special items from the festival store like this. And then you can buy the items using these festival tokens like this. And the good news is there are several easy ways to farm them. First, you can get the festival tokens by completing quests from the town festival catalog. Over here, this quest, you can see it on here. There are several quests that you can complete, and then once you complete the quest, you will get the festival tokens like this. So just check the available missions on here, and then just claim the rewards after finishing them. And then the second, you can also earn token by selling event items to Azure. This NPC just go find Azure. This NPC, they are located near the central square over here. And then next, just talk to her, and then just tap on the festival related like this, and then just tap on sell items. And then in here, you can just sell the event items, like you can sell the brick clownfish and then the food event like this. You can just sell the items, and then from this activity you can just get any festival tokens like this. You can see it over here. And then next, just tap on sell and you will get the festival tokens like this. And the last method is from the special event gacha eggs. Oh, in here I have cracked my gacha eggs, so I can't show you for the egg looks. But what's clear is that the last method to get the festival tokens, you can just get it from the gacha eggs, event gacha egg that has pink color, and you can usually get these eggs as rewards from special hobby events like fishing, insect catching, and bird watching. On this event like this, when you successfully complete the missions at this event, you can get this event gacha eggs that has a pink color, and from it you can get the special tokens. But just keep in mind the rewards just random, so maybe you won't always get the tokens. And okay, that's how you can get the festival tokens in the Modular Street event. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!